Welcome back to this tutorial. When you upgrade your device from a Windows 10 to a Windows 11 operating system, you still have the option to actually go back again to a previous version of Windows if you are not satisfied with the newly installed version of Windows. If, for example, your device becomes very slow, irresponsive, you are receiving a lot of error message, and you feel you are not still yet prepared for the latest version of Windows operating system, you can decide to go back again to a previous version, but if only you have the following folder on your device. If I go to File Explorer, this page C, and I go to my C drive, to Windows C, here you can see we have the folder called Windows Old. So if you're not able to go back to a previous version of Windows, you will need to actually check if this Windows Old is still there. And mind you, what I need to do right now is to go to my Start menu, go to Settings, and in Settings, go to Windows Update. And from Windows Update, we now need to go to the Advanced options. From the advanced options, here you can see we have under additional options, we have recovery. So reset, advanced, startup, and go back. So just click on it. And now we now have the option to actually go back. But mind you, if for example, you've installed your device and you can actually reset this PC, but let's just try to say, well, we want to go back to a previous version because we are not satisfied with the newly installed operating system. Just click go back. You can see it's actually trying to ask me why am I going back. So well, I want to say I can actually just go, well, Windows 10 seems easier to use, and then click next. Here it says before you go back, try installing the latest update. This might fix the problem you are having. So well, it's actually trying to but definitely when you upgrade your device from Windows 10 to Windows 11, you want to install all the latest updates on that device. If for example we go to, let's see if I can, okay, I don't have the option to actually click there, but we can actually go to Windows Update and check if new updates are available. Well, I can say no thanks, I just want to go and uninstall and downgrade my Windows 11 device. Here you can see it says what do you need to know. After going back, you will have to reinstall some apps and programs. You will lose any changes made to settings after the upgrade to Windows 11. So I can just click next. Say if you use the password to sign into Windows, make sure you know your password. So it's always advisable to remember your password. You may not be able to log in again. So let's just click next. And then here it says, if you end up missing improve search, security, and startup, come back again to Windows 11. Now we can now decide to click go back to Windows 11 to Windows 10, and you can see that my device is actually now going to restart. And then after the restart, then our device will start to downgrade to Windows 11. So after restarting the device, you can see now our device has been actually downgraded to the previous version of Windows. So if I go back again to File Explorer, here I go to this PC and then go to my Windows C drive. Here you can see we are not seeing the Windows.old anymore. The folder have been deleted. So that is how you actually downgrade back again to your Windows 10 device from Windows 11. And mind you, I was actually able to log on to my device using the same credentials on that device. So the credentials does not change, it still remain the same. So next we are going to be seeing how to perform a clean installation of a Windows 11 device without this upgrade option.